Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be showing you my updated planner lineup for 2020. So a couple of weeks ago I did actually show you what I was planning on using for 2020, but things change and that's absolutely fine. So I'm just going to start off with this. This is the Snapshots of a Happy Life Memory Keeper. This is the one I showed you before. Nothing has changed with this. This is the one that I am going to be using throughout this year. So that hasn't changed. And then I'm using a micro notes for when I'm out and about, for just writing down what I've had to eat if I'm out, because my meal tracker and like my food tracker is now in my main planner, and it's easier to take this out than it is to take out my big planner. And then this is my social media tracker. As you know, I'm a PR girl for One Crafty Country Girl, and her tag is Sparkling Life Every Day, and her logo is a deer. It's actually just deer antlers, but you know that she's got all the darling deer, so that's why I made it this cover. And then I just put that on the inside because it was cute. And then these inserts are actually printables. From Easy Life Planning. I think that's what it is. I will leave a link in the description down below. So I just write in every day what I'm doing for social media. And then this one is my college tracker and my daughter's homework tracker. So this was just the Planner Babe Mini. As you can see, I love the colours in this. So all I do in this one is I just write down what my daughter's homework has been and if I've done it with her or not. So that's this week. We will be starting again this week because my daughter was with her dad last week, but I actually still did her homework with her. I did it with her over the phone. So that is what this one is. And this is the one that I do carry with me in my bag all the time. And then onto my main planner. So I said before, I think, that I made the covers myself. I used to be really big into card making, so I have lots of USBs and CD-ROMs with clip art and things like that on them that have angel policies, so I can use them for anything. So I printed them out and I double laminated them to give it a bit more sturdiness. So this is actually quite a sturdy cover. And then I'm using these. Now these used to say check it off and line it up. Now I didn't actually like them, so I took these little tabs from One Crafty Country Girl and put them over and just renamed them. So the one that says this month takes you to this month. And then the one that says today takes you to your current week. And this is my planner for pretty much everything. I even put social media stuff in here as well. If I'm sort of thinking about it while I'm planning, it'll just get jotted down in here. So that's the full Planner Babe, the Lavender Planner Babe planner. And it's only 12 months, which I like because it means that I can put stuff in the back. So at the back here then we have my projects sheets, and these were printables as well. And these I'm going to be using for my volunteer job at the school library because I've got a couple of things that I really want to get in place, so I'm going to be using these. I'm using this then as a divider, and then I've got my food diary. So this is why I'm going to be using this for when I'm out and about, because it saves me taking out this big planner. So I've got my food diary, and then I've got my cupboard and fridge and freezer inventory. I have my meal planner. So with the food diary and the meal planner, I've got enough in there to last a month. So then once the month's over, I'll just take it out and replace it. And then at the very back here, I've got my recipe pages, ones that I can write on, ones that I've already got written out from before I got this. And then this is actually what I'm having for dinner today. So I've got that in there so that when I take this to my mum and dad's house to make it, it's just easy for me to use. It saves me having to take the full recipe book with me. So yeah, I've gone from wanting to do a one planner year to in the end with 3 proper planners, a memory planner and a notes. So, I mean, things change and that's perfectly fine. And, you know, that's part of being a planner girl. So, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will leave a link in the description below to the inserts that I have, if they're not Happy Planner ones. I'll also leave a link to my Instagram. And until next time, happy planning. Bye.